country there are our government is unable to give employment every people, then the major reason of unemployment.
Yes, my friend,
and there
machines
is
are
people
replacing
don't have
machines are replacing humans, and the many of people do not allow the women to work outside of their houses.
And in our country, people don't have alternate skills. Means if anyone left their job, then he was unable to find any job because he don't have any additional skills.
Yes, my friend, agriculture.
We are living in 21st century. In the 21st century, some families are not give to chance for their women to work. That is the main cause of unemployment for women.
Yes, I agree with you that most of the families thought that why we waste our money on a female child because she went one day after she will get married at one day.
Yes, my friend, I am.
Main reason of unemployment is increasing population day by day, and we are control. If we are control the population, can decrease the unemployment in India and other countries.
Yes, my friend, I want to tell you, government of India providing jobs, but too much population of India, so is not too much easy.
Yes, my friend, government. India is the most populated country in the world, and the government try to the rising population because government try to started many schemes for the rising population.
Now, friends, I would like to.
But India has recently crossed the China, and there are another reason is this that the people and we thought that, and our society thought that we got only popular jobs, not we try to get a small job and
I would like to introduce
like a bonfire.
introduce about employment causes effect of unemployment. Unemployment is directly affected on our living standard and society. Unemployment is affected our living standard. It is the effect of our.
Yes, my friend, the unemployment situation is when the person cannot try to find the job but cannot to find the work, the inadequate the growth infrastructure and low investment in private sector area.
Yes, my friend, there in India unemployment increasing day by day, then the educated people cannot able to achieve this type of job that they are capable, that then they are ready, the unable job.
Yes, my friend, main impact of unemployment is decrease the GDP and the economy of a country, and also a reason unemployment is to increase poverty day by day. There's people they not have any jobs.
In India, still many people do not have higher education and low communication skills, and low education skills are the main reasons of unemployment in India.
Yes, my friend, I want to tell you, unemployment affected the economy of India.
Yes, my friend. Unemployment are affected of economy of India, but the low education system of our country is the totally affected or unemployment in India.
Solution to the employment in India, the Indian government try to best education skill and other sector area to generate the many people's etc.
The rate of employment in India is increasing rapidly day by day, and I have also some data that in 2020 at the corona time, the unemployment ratio, the rate of employment is 29%. This is the measure. This is the highest, and in 2018 the report of the NSSO is that the 6% of our total population are unemployed. So this data is very high. In this data that the 5 to 6 crores of our capable person have no work. So this is also the very bad effect of unemployment.